Hey guys, Guapi here. I hope everyone's doing well. And today, we're going to do a little experiment for you guys between the Maono microphone set and the Blue Yeti, which was lent to me by my good friend Hexitone. So big thanks and shoutouts to him. Alright, so here we got the microphone set from Maono. Now the packaging does seem rather basic, nothing to write home about. However, for the price point, it's pretty much what you expect. Now I picked this around $113 Canadian, which is very budget friendly for the amount of hardware you get. And straight off the bat, we got the pop filter to get that oomph out of your voice when you're recording. We got the wind cap filter. This goes on top of your mic for outdoor environments where it's very windy. That can help with that a lot. Now for the inside, we got our promotional cards as well as user manual. We got a shock mount for vibrations. Very nice. And the quality of these objects are pretty good, very sturdy. Here we got the stand to attach to your desk. We got some Velcro straps for cable management. Here's a table clamp. This also goes on your desk. USB cable for the microphone. And the money shot. The microphone. Very good weight to it. Those are some quality stuff, man. And make sure not to eat this. So here we got the Yeti microphone. This is the black edition, which really doesn't have much difference from the original Yeti other than the color. Now this mic goes for around 180 Canadian, which is about an $80 difference in the entire Maono set. And right away, as I open this, you can see that the Yeti doesn't really come with anything else extra besides the, oh my god, besides the actual microphone. So here we got the manual. More warranty information, foam, USB cable, and here we go. There's this big boy. Oh, this has got to be at least 5 pounds. One thing to note is that the microphone already has a built-in stand. However, if you loosen these knobs, you can remove it and actually just use your own stand if you prefer. So here we got the Maono microphone set up with the stand and pop filter. And we're just going to do some testing. There is no software enhancement. This is just my voice. The cat got ran over by the mailman yesterday. Mom is making mac and cheese and you can't have some. Alright, now we got the Blue Yeti microphone set up. I am going to keep the stand because I'm a fan of it still. And there's also no pop filter because that didn't come with the Yeti. So we're going to do another set of tests. So here we go. Why doesn't God let the McRib come back? Little Billy got in trouble when he put his feet in the casserole. One thing I want to note that I checked off camera is that this mic is very sensitive, so I have to adjust the physical gain on the mic all the way down. As for the Maono mic, it was set in halfway. So just to clarify things. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little comparison. At the end, you guys make up your own conclusions. However, in my opinion, you can't really go wrong with any of these mics, especially if you're streaming or just recording basic videos like this one. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.